ChatGPT just got a wild upgrade. It's spitting out images like comic strips from text. Free for everyone, US creators are going nuts testing it on phones and tablets. Want instant art on the go? Let's dive in. Hey tech fam, OpenAI dropped a ChatGPT bombshell this week. Image generation is here and it's trending hard. Today, we're unpacking how it's turning your smartphone into an art studio. Let's roll. Here's the scoop. ChatGPT's latest update rolled out March 25th lets it crank out images from text prompts. Type 4-panel comic of a cat saving the world and boom, art in seconds. Tech Radar says it's powered by GPT 4o, blending multimodal magic, text, voice, and now pictures. It's free for all users, no paywall, and US creators are all over it. Testing on iPhones, Galaxies, iPads, X post-screen game changer. No more clunky art apps, just chat and create. Why is this hot? It's gadget-adjacent gold, portable, instant, and stupidly easy. Forbes notes it's nailing details, consistent characters, crisp text and comics, perfect for TikTok sketches or Insta stories. On a 6-inch phone screen or a 12-inch tablet, it's smooth, no lag. Creators are churning out superhero strips, meme art, even logos. Zero design skills needed. Sure, it's not Photoshop, but for free, it's a steal, especially with voice prompts on the go. This is just the start. OpenAI is teasing more tweaks by summer. Could it hit pro-level art? Maybe animate? For now, it's a creator's playground. Unleash your wildest ideas anywhere. Smartphone in hand, you're an artist. How cool is that? Have you tried it? What's your craziest ChatGPT art? Drop it in the comments.